Monty here with Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floors, and we just want to give you a heads up. It's that time of year where you gotta spring forward on those clocks. This weekend, I saw that on the news earlier this week, and I was like, "Oh my goodness, I can't believe it's already time to move the clocks forward." So it'll be staying light later, which is a great thing. We always enjoy that. It also means it's springtime, home improvement time, whether it's cleaning, maintenance, or replacement, whatever it may be. One of the things you can count on here at Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floors is we're going to have you covered. And we've enhanced our inventory of stock product here in the store for this spring home makeover time with carpet and luxury vinyl plank. We have, I think it's about a dozen different colors of carpet from 25 ounces to 50 ounces. So mid-weight to high-end weight carpets that you can get here in the store ready to install right away. We also have 3 different colors of luxury vinyl plank. It's 8 millimeters thick, 20 mil wear layer with attached pad, heavier than you find in most stores that they keep in stock. And the great thing is here at Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floor, you can pull up to the back door and we'll fork it right into your car. You don't have to haul it out of a big box store and transfer it into your car. We'll do that for you. We can even deliver it for you too as well. So don't forget, if you're looking for quick, fast products, we have them here at Gillespie's. You can shop both here at 360 Chadburn Road and also our new store in Vacaville at 900 Merchant Street, and let us turn those interior design dreams into reality.